Transforming myself into my incognito cosplay. Kailan pa gagawin? The final thing is tanggalin ko yung belt.
Ano? Wala naman nagtatanong. Basta naman ang That's what makes you different from other social media applications. This is focused on our sorry.
Une! Une! Manakan pa wala. May Insta360 ako dito.
Nagtaka ako eh.
Kinisad pa kita. Ang bait na tao. Une! Selfie! What? Ale, hindi ka maingay ha. Kasali ako sa cosplay eh. Okay, mission accomplished. Na-prank natin si Michael Ramos for another year. So, all points goes to me, Michael Ramos, 0. It's time to prank the entire Toycon. Sali na tayo sa cosplay. Alright. Pasok na tayo. Si Prince di ko sumauna kilala eh.